Your vehicle may be equipped with a unique system designed to help detect and potentially avoid frontal collision situations with other vehicles and pedestrians. Let me tell you about it. Pre-Collision Assist with Automatic Emergency Braking is a driver assist system that monitors the road ahead of you while driving. It even works at night when your vehicle's lights are on. If a collision risk with another vehicle or pedestrian is detected, the system will deliver several warnings and may help you slow down or stop your vehicle. Here's how it works. If you're rapidly approaching a stationary vehicle, or one that's moving in the same direction, or a pedestrian is crossing your path, the system can alert you and assist with braking in one of three ways. First, you'll receive an audible chime, along with a pre-collision assist warning message on the information display. Next, if the risk of a collision further increases after the warning alerts are given, the system's brake support feature will pre-charge the brakes for rapid braking. This way, they'll respond faster once the brake pedal is pressed. And finally, if the system determines that a collision is imminent, it may apply automatic emergency braking without driver input to help reduce impact damage or potentially avoid a crash completely. Once your brakes have been pre-charged, even if you press them lightly, the automatic emergency braking feature may apply full braking force to help stop your vehicle quickly. One more thing, you can change the system's alert sensitivity to one of three settings by using the 5-way control on your steering wheel and the information display. From the Settings menu, scroll to Driver Assist, Pre-Collision, Alert Sensitivity, and then select High, Normal, or Low. A lower setting can send fewer warnings, while a higher setting will give earlier, more frequent warnings. You can also enable or disable automatic emergency braking under the same menu by checking or unchecking the active braking feature. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.